Mastering the hover in 4 different positions can be a significant challenge when teaching 2 students at the same time. Achieving proficiency in this skill demands strong organisation and control to effectively guide students toward mastery. With this skill, evaluate 2 students at the same time. Move your Divemaster into a position behind the students. Signal to your Divemaster to watch the students during the skill. Repeat the signal for the skill and bring your students close to the line. Have your students start off in a fin tip position. For control, remember to have contact on their BCDs before the students add air. As the students begin to rise, let go and remind them of position 1, vertical. Make sure you are comfortable that your students have mastered each position before you move on. Remember to communicate with your Divemaster before and after each position. Now signal to your students, position 2, head elevated. Make sure to check both students, adjust their weights appropriately. Remain in close contact with the students and the line throughout the skill. Communicate to your Divemaster and signal to your students, position 3, horizontal. Again, make sure to check your students are adjusting the weights appropriately. Communicate to your Divemaster and signal to your students, position 4, feet elevated. Make sure your students adjust their weights before moving into the final position. Now that you're comfortable your students have mastered the skill, signal cut to end the exercise. Remember to provide your students with positive reinforcement and additional communication of the proper technique. This is how you should respond to the common problems you might encounter when you're conducting the hover in 4 different positions.